Good morning, my dear respected students, and I'm just begin with, as the same is also appearing on the screen here, that I'm just begin with the discussion of holidays homework, which is very important in context of your syllabus as well as this computer science subject. So that how we are supposed to elaborate this holidays homework, because we are supposed to do important things here in this holidays homework. So for that, I'm just going to discuss things one by one, and it's my humble request, if you are supposed to unmute yourself, then there is a purpose, then only unmute yourself, otherwise you can mute. No issues with that. Thank you very much. Okay, so what we are going to do here, I'm just going to display one PDF file here on the screen. Kindly concentrate, my dear respected students. Kindly concentrate that this is your holidays homework, and this holidays homework is already shared with you with your respective class in charges. But as the individual subject teacher is going to elaborate things in a very perfect manner, in that case, I'm just going to discuss the content with you all. So my dear respected students, this is basically about that the students are requested to do the following as a part of computer science holidays homework. And remember this thing, you are supposed to submit that particular with the help of this Google form. I'm just going to click here on this particular URL. That is a link of a Google form here. And whenever we are just going to click on that, that particular form is supposed to be open in window. And what we are going to do here, one very important thing, what I just want to discuss with you all, that you are not supposed to upload that particular, and you are supposed to upload these two options only. So I think so the things will be appearing on your screen as well. So dear students, this is very common thing, that roll number, name, stream, name of the file. Now I'm just begin with this particular, that when we talk about a name of file here, my dear respected students, it says first is a program file, second is a project file, third is a MySQL file here. So what happened here, then when we talk about a program file, this is a file which relates with a program part, that is a Python programs, what we have done till date, or we can call it as till 10th of June. So we are supposed to make that particular program file, and here it is. When you are selecting a program file here, respected students, so it says upload program file only in PDF format. And this star symbol is representing that this is a mandatory field. You are supposed to upload that particular file here. After that, if we are going to select it as a project file, sir, what we are going to understand about a project file. So just I'm going to elaborate that concept, no issues with that. And I'm just going to give a demonstration here also, that what about the project is and how we are supposed to do it. So what it says only in .py format. It makes sense that when we are going to make a project on our system, that .py extension file, that particular code is supposed to be uploaded here on that particular location. So we are going to upload that. And the last thing, you are all are thinking of that this is not done right now in the class, that is a MySQL file. So that's why the star symbol is not reflecting with that particular content here. These two are considered as mandatory parts you are supposed to upload. But for the time being, as we have not done that particular thing, you are supposed to leave as it is. There is no need to upload. And after that, what you are going to do, you are just going to upload that particular. मेरा बेटा एक बार मुझे हैंड रेस करके या म्यूट करके या अनम्यूट, जैसे भी आप चाहते हैं, मुझे एक बार बता दीजिए अगर किसी को कोई क्वेरी है. अगर क्वेरी नहीं है तो हैंड रेस करके बता दीजिए कि यस सर, दिस थिंग इज क्लियर. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. थैंक यू वेरी मच. थैंक्स फॉर योर काइंड कोऑपरेशन. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड.
सर
जी मेरा बेटा, प्लीज बोलिए, प्लीज बोलिए. हाँ मेरा बेटा बोलो.
Can you repeat in summary again? I rejoined a bit later.
Bhagat ji, I have discussed right now that this is a Google form here on the displaying on the screen, and you are supposed to upload these two files here. Kindly concentrate. The name of the file is a program file, which includes a Python programs, and project file, which includes a project what you have done in your Python language. And the last one, which is MySQL, right now we have not completed that particular portion. So there is no need to upload that particular. So means these two are considered as mandatory, and there is no need to upload that particular, because right now we don't have any idea about that. Bhagat, I think so. The content will be clear right now. Bhagat ji.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much, Bhagat ji. Okay. Now kindly concentrate. मुझे chat box में भी आ रही है. Yes, sir. Thank you, Bhagat. Thank you. Now it says that first of all, when we talk about a program file, my dear respected students, you are very lucky, I think so, that you are supposed to see that particular content before making that particular file here. It says a program file, minimum 10 programs from each chapter. Beta ji, I am just going to emphasize on that particular part, that you are going to mention, you are just going to write down 10 different programs along with the outputs chapter wise makes sense. That right now we are doing recursion, we are doing file handling, we are completed with functions, we have completed Python libraries and many more functions. But we are supposed to many more chapters with what we are completed here, and the sample is already given there in I think so in +2 non-medical. I am just uploading that particular as well in the WhatsApp group. I am again going to click here, and this is the content which is being created by one of my dearest student, Bhav Veri ji, in a previous session, and I'm just going to take the reference of that. So actually this is a kind of program file. Mera beta zara dhyan se sun lena. This is a kind of program file, that is a computer science program file. This is the information that this is of Bhav Veri ji, +2 non-medical. Why they have not mentioned here roll number? Because we are not supposed to mention the class roll number. It's very important. We are not supposed to mention the class roll number. We are supposed to mention the board roll number. That's why the roll number is not mentioned there. Okay. After that, the next important thing, this is the index and the chapter name along with the page number. Each and everything is supposed to be mentioned here. So what we are going to do, these are the kind of programs they have done during their +2, and each and everything is going to be mentioned here. For example, this is a program here. I'm just taking it as example. This is a program, and on the bottom of that, they having output of that program. In a similar way, libraries, Python libraries, each and everything, file handling, all these programs along with the output is going to be mentioned in that particular file, which is to be considered as a program file here. मेरा बेटा अभी तक के लिए किसी को, मेरे बच्चे को कोई query हो, अगर नहीं query, then you are requested to raise your hand up, please. Very good, very good. Raise your hand up if you don't have any query, and if you have any kind of query, you are requested to unmute yourself and just ask me the same. No issues with that. Very good, very good, very good, very good. Thank you very much. Thank you. Many of you don't have any query. Very good, great, great. Thank you very much. Okay. Now the next thing, which is very, very, very important here, very important part, because I think so that all are able to make this program file, because we have done with the ample amount of programs in our sessions, and you are just going to take care of those programs only, then only you are able to make your program file. But next thing it says that is a project file here. Sir, what do you understand by a project file? Kindly concentrate. I'm just going to give a demonstration, as well as I'm just going to discuss each and everything here. Kindly concentrate. First important thing, that project is something that is tangible and useful, such as shopkeeping, library management, or any real life problem. Beta, if you are just going to and search on the net, and then you are just copy and just then give me a file, this is not the right thing. So you are just going to give a practical demonstration of any real life problem. Real life problem means you want to make a program or make a software for your school that when some parents are coming and they just want to check the timings to meet principal. In that case, in spite of they talk with a receptionist on the school counter, they are just going to visit that particular computer. They enter the option, the menu will be there. They enter the option, okay, one, that hours to meet principal, and then automatically the content is going to be displayed that yes, these are the timings to meet principal. And if they want to meet someone in account office, that how the timing will be and how the procedure will be, that how they are going to do it. So these are the real life example we are supposed to elaborate in our projects here, and this should be done in a group of 2 or 3 students. So I'm just going to give you a time. Today is 7th, 8th and 9th. When we meet on 9th again, then I'm just going to ask you, or you can also send me your group name, the name of your project, as well as the members of your group, but make sure that the members within your group is not more than 3, because this is a constraint which is being applied by a CBSE, that the student group will be 2 or 3. Individually, you can also make a project, but it's my suggestion that take care of this thing, that there is 2 or 3 students are there in your group. So the burden is automatically reduced as well, and the efficiency is increased because the new ideas will come. Okay, so this is a sample. Why I'm showing this sample here? Because I consider that this is a thing which is being created by a student itself, in spite of downloading from any other resource which is available over the net. And I just want to mention here that this is a project of Bhavberi, Amanji and Himanshuji, 3 students of session 2020 and 21. They have created by their own each and everything, and these are the simple things what you have come to know about, that this is a certificate and acknowledgement, and this is an index, that certificate, acknowledgement, index, what is Python, objective of project, features of project, algorithms, and these are the different modules here, that how we can do and elaborate this thing. What they do, they just find content which is being provided by a CBSE, the content which is being provided by a CBSE, and that question bank is being converted by them in the form of a project. In spite of just downloading something from a net, they have created the question bank of CBSE into a program, and for the same they have used n number of modules here, and they just show their efforts. And I also want to mention here that the external which come for a practical in our school is highly appreciate this project, and they just give their appreciation to students as well. So I just believe that you all are also doing things in a very nice way, and this is the actual thing. And now what I'm just going to discuss, because here it is important thing, feel free to contact in case of your query. You are requested to contact me, no issues with that. And one more thing, I'm just going to display a syllabus of, because students don't have idea about that, but this is a syllabus of computer science, and subject code is 03. Here class is +1, but I'm just going to scroll it down towards the bottom. Yes, this says that this is subject, this is a syllabus of computer science here. What we are going to do, I'm just going to, this is the distribution, each and everything here. I'm just going to scroll it down here towards the bottom side. And very important thing about project here, this is, it says that this is a project here, this is a project. Okay, the aim of the class project is to create something that is tangible and useful using Python file handling. मेरा बेटा मेरी बात को जरा प्लीज ध्यान से सुन लेना. Using a file handling. In file handling, we use binary files. I'm not taking the word of text files. I'm just mentioning you use the concept of binary file as well as a CSV file. One more thing we are supposed to use, but right now we don't have completed with that. So I suggest to you that there is no need to begin with that Python SQL connectivity here. You just go with a file handling. That is a binary file as well as a CSV file. Next important thing, there is a group of 2 or 3 students which is being mentioned by a CBS. And here it is, they also mentioned that students are at least begin that project 6 months before, but we don't have, I think so, such time here, but we are supposed to complete it within our holidays as well, or it required more time, no issues with that, but we are supposed to complete this within our holidays. Okay. After that, what they do here, what they mention, students are encouraged to visit local businesses and ask them about the problems they are facing. They also give the example of GST, because GST is new in our country. They just mention that particular thing, that you can create the project on that as well. And they also mentioned that the variety of Python libraries is supposed to be used, and applications such as games, projects, and additional learning is required. They also mentioned here that additional learning means the learning what we are doing right now, which is a part of our curriculum. In spite of that, you can also learn something from online or some other resources, and you are supposed to implement that particular thing in your project here. Okay, so this is very, very important. Last thing what we are going to do, sensitized to avoid pilgrims and violation of copyright issues. It's very, very, very necessary thing, my dear students. What we are doing, many of the students are supposed to download the content from the internet and they just take it as and mention their own name. So this is not a very good thing for computer science students, because this is a violation of copyright issues. So we are supposed to take care of this particular thing as well, that we are not going to do this thing. We take help, no issues with that. You call your teacher as well, no issues with that, but we are not going to consider it that we can download and just show it, because जैसे आप वो दिखाएंगे तो मुझे पता लग जाएगा कि this is from the net itself. There is nothing you have done in that particular. So make sure that you are going to do that particular thing. I'm just going to close that because nothing is there left, I think so. So can you please raise your hands, my dear respected students, if the things will be clear? And in case you have any query here, you are requested to kindly unmute yourself and discuss the same with me. No issues with that. Very good. Harsimranjeet ने hand raise किया है. Tanyam ji, Gurnoor ji. Very good, very good, very good, very good. Bhagat, Jashan, Anirudh, Akul, Sanjana, Archie Dhawan, Jaykor, हिया सियाल. गुंतेज साहब का नहीं हुआ, प्रभजोत भी आ गए, गुंतेज का नहीं आ रहा अभी मेरे को लग रहा है, गुरप्रीत का नहीं, हरजीवन का नहीं, जशन का नहीं, नुपुर का नहीं. इन लोगों के भी हैंड, मुझे इनकी आवाज भी, मेरी आवाज जा रही होगी शायद इन तक. तो ऐसे गुरप्रीत का हो गया, जशन का हो गया, वेरी गुड. गुंतेज और नुपुर जी रह गए मेरे ख्याल से, वो शायद अभी मुझे सुन नहीं पा रहे हैं ड्यू टू सम और अदर टेक्निकल इश्यूज. ओके बेटा, ये क्लियर है? ओके, आपने हैंड रेज कर दिया, इसका मतलब है कि इट्स द थिंग विल बी क्लियर राइट नाउ. मेरे बच्चों को मेरी बात समझ आ गई है.